Okay, y'all, I'm going to show you a weed eater tip here. You take a JB Weld and you take a lid. I found out that the Powerade or Gatorade lids are perfect. You fill them full of this JB Weld, stir it up, and then once you get it all stirred up, you put a nut right in the center. And then you put it right on top there. It will last years. Rough them up a little bit with sandpaper first though. There, you see? I've got my JB Weld in there, stirred it all up. I put a bolt in the center, gives it more strength. And now I've got like 2 brand new weed eater heads. They'll last about 3 years each.